Who is ready for more sneaker unboxings with Untied Hawaii, man? I love opening up sneakers with you guys, and we have good ones for you guys today. 3 different boxes here, and I'm going to be telling you guys how I copped 2 of these, which I'm going to let you guys know in advance are Yeezys. How I copped these Yeezys manually and how you guys can do it too. So very excited to open these up with you guys, and hope you guys stay tuned because that is all coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a sneaker unboxing for you guys today. 3 sneakers in fact, and how I more often than not am able to cop these things and how you guys are able to too. It's not very difficult, and I know a lot of people think, man, you need bots or something, or it's just impossible, because it's not impossible, man. And I do not use bots. I cop everything manually. Well, kind of manually, because I do have some help, and it's actually from the sponsor of today's video, Dashlane. Dashlane is an amazing app that is not only on your desktop but also your mobile device, and it is designed to make your online experience simple and safe. It is an all-in-one product that includes cool features like password management, personal VPNs, state-of-the-art autofill capabilities, which we'll get into in a little bit, and even dark web monitoring for much less than what one of those products alone would cost you with a different company. So let me open up 2 of these boxes, and then I'll show you guys how I use Dashlane to actually cop these shoes. Now, this first box here is actually from Adidas, and like I mentioned, it's a Yeezy, so don't be surprised when I open it up. Ta-da! Yeezy Boost 350. Now this one here is actually in a size 10.5, and it is one of the newest releases that just came out. This is a pair of the Yeezy Citrons, which I haven't seen in person yet. And to be honest, this thing is pretty interesting looking. I don't know, not a lot of people are feeling these, but it's an interesting sneaker, man. I mean, check it out over here. Yeezy 350 Citron, but it looks pretty darn similar to previous releases like the Cloud White, where it has like this interesting textile upper, and of course you guys can see that Boost technology underneath. So yeah, it's your prototypical Yeezy, man. But I know a lot of people still really love the Yeezy series, so this one is one that people will try to target. I think I opened this box wrong. Another 350 box. So don't be surprised when I show you that it is actually another Yeezy Citron. So I'm not going to be showing you guys this again, but just know that we copped 2 Yeezys, and like I mentioned, I copped both of them manually. Now, people always say that, man, it's too hard to cop sneakers manually, or it's just impossible. It's not even worth my time to try to cop manually. I gotta use bots in order to copy Yeezys because there's no other way. But I'm letting you guys know now that I copped both of these sneakers manually. One was actually through Yeezy Supply, and one was through Adidas, so it works both ways because I use Dashlane. So it wasn't really manually because I did have some help from Dashlane, but it's not like buying expensive bots. And the way that I actually utilize Dashlane is I use their autofill feature because it is one of the strongest autofill features that I found on the internet, man. Dashlane saves and autofills personal information like addresses, phone numbers, credit cards, and passport details, so you can fill out tedious online forms in a single click. What's even better is that if you get Dashlane Premium, you can use that same service on multiple devices, so not only your desktop but also on your mobile app, so that you are ready for sneaker drops at a moment's notice, man. And while we're on the subject of Dashlane, there is one more feature that I want to talk about, and that is dark web monitoring or security alerts. Remember how a certain sneaker app was hacked months ago, which exposed data of millions of people's information, personal information, to everybody on the dark web, and they didn't let us know for months on end? Yeah. That was terrible. But that's why you needed Dashlane's dark web monitoring, because an alert will pop up when an account you have in Dashlane is affected by a breach, and that way you can act faster to make yourself safer. So if you want to cop Yeezys manually and be protected from data breaches, then head down to the description below and click on that link, man. Clicking on that link will take you to Dashlane, where you will be able to try Dashlane for free on your first device, or you can go to dashlane.com/untied. Now we can check out the last shoe that we actually copped today. This one is not from Adidas, and it is not from Yeezy Supply. This one is actually from a company called Net Magnetism. They're a sneaker shop out in Canada, and they use like sneaker raffle kind of stuff. And I've actually copped a couple things from them before, which you guys see back there. I copped that Bape Bear Break, the 1000% up there, and also those Red Octobers that you guys see over there from Net Magnetism raffles. Now, I did not win a big prize, I think, since the Red October Yeezys, so I'm kind of on a cold streak, but thankfully there's like a whole bunch of different prizes and stuff that you can get there as well. So let me see what we got. Nike Air VaporMax Flyknit 3, size 10.5. And this one is just a standard pair of black Flyknit VaporMax. Now, I guess you guys can check this out over here. Does look like a very, very standard Vapor Max, but what I do know is that these things go for a lot of money when they're brand new. So I think that they retail for like $200 or something. So on the aftermarket, I'm assuming that they're going for like maybe like 180-ish. So that's actually pretty good for a runner-up price. I'm not hating on that at all. Very nice cop right there. And I did want to mention one more thing before this video ends, because we're on the topic of Yeezys and whatnot. This is the best time for you guys to cop Yeezys. Like, I know a lot of you guys that watch these videos are focused only on the resale of sneakers, and you guys are thinking, well, Yeezys are dead, I'm not going to cop them anymore. However, I do want to let you guys know that if you have ever wanted a pair of Yeezys, this is like literally the best time to cop them manually, because there is a good amount of stock for these shoes. Also, if you guys are only interested in the resale of shoes, these things will rise in value over time. Like, I've seen it with a whole bunch of brick Yeezys in the past that you thought there wasn't going to be any resale value, but there ends up being like a couple $100s or so down the line. Like, the cream whites are going for, I think, like 300 something now. The blue tints are also going for like 400 something dollars now. So they will rise, man. And I mean, you never know what the resale is going to be until after the drop. But what I can tell you is that if you cop any 350 model, know that you will at least make your money back, because they'll never go for less than retail, man. I've never seen that happen on a 350, so it's usually worth a cop in my opinion. So that's just information for you guys. Anyway, again, check out dashlane.com/untied if you guys want to start copying Yeezys manually. If you guys enjoyed this content, then don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you guys in the next video. Aloha, shoots.